I forgot to cancel the subscription. Hey you guys, it's me Keandra, aka Kiki, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Fabfitfun video, and I will be unboxing the I can't believe it's fall, the fall 2020 Fabfitfun box. So let's get straight into the video. So I have the box right here on the floor. So here's the box. Has little flowers on it, super cute. So let's open it. So the first thing I'm going to pull out the box is going to be by the Beauty Crop, and it is Glow Milk. So I'm curious to what this is. I want to open it, but then I don't, because then I'll have all these products open that I'm not going to use, because right now I'm using Fenty Skin. So shout out to Rihanna. It's nourished with coconut oil and argan oil. So to achieve a healthy luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of our illuminating milk on the high points of your face and collarbone, blend with your fingertips for natural radiance. Repeat for more dramatic stroking effect. So that's that. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is the a mason jar hydration kit. Let's open it up. I do not need another water bottle because I have some in it. Okay. So, wow, this is cute. Is it glass? Looks like it's glass. So it's a water bottle, a glass water bottle. Super cute. I love this. You know me, I have an addiction with cups, mugs, bottles. So here's that. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from Jenny Bird. Never heard of Jenny Bird either. It is a bracelet, and I don't really like mixing like silver and gold, but this is actually cute. So a little bracelet. Got that. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is crease release, and I'm guessing you just spray it in your clothes and it releases the wrinkles. And I'm probably going to use this because I don't like ironing a lot. I just like to I don't know why, but since I was in like middle school, I just feel like, why should I have to iron, or just throw it in the dryer? I don't know. But my mom is really big on ironing. Shout out to my mom. Like, I'm gonna work on it, Mom. But anywho, this crease release might be the one. So the next thing I'm gonna pull out is from Glossmetics, and it says a hair removal device. Glossmetics. I think I've seen this on TV. Has a battery, and this is what it looks like. I guess you just like go like this. I don't know. But yeah, it's another hair removal device. So let's put that away. The next thing we're gonna pull out is Tranquility Sleep Mist, and it's by Hype. And it has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. I've never put rice water on my face. I thought it was only for your hair. Hopefully, if I like use this, I won't like grow like a beard or something. Nah, but anyways, I guess you just spray it on before you go to sleep. It says it soothes your skin. This calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. So that's sleep mist. Next thing I'm going to pull out is Another stress reliever. Is it liquid? Liquid? Is this by Liquid? Liquid RX. And it is stress reliever hair oil. Never tried this. Never even thought about having stress reliever hair oil. But this is stress reliever hair oil. I guess you just put it in your hair before you go to sleep. Use your fingers to apply oil to scalp and hair massage lightly. Shampoo and rinse after 1 hour. So you do rinse it out. So some stress reliever hair oil. And the last thing is gonna be by Foxy Bay, and it is a hair wand. So got another hair wand. I actually have an rose gold 25 millimeter curling wand. So this is a wand curl, so you can get the beach waves popping. I've been wearing my hair straight because I don't know, it's what I'm feeling at the moment. But here's a Foxy Bay hair wand. If I do another one of these videos, it's because I forgot again. So if you guys would like to remind me, just shoot me a DM or put it in the comments like, sis, cancel the box. You should not be spending money at this time because you're unemployed. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.